The Little Sparrow. In a lovely meadow lived a small land sparrow named Sally. She was scared of trying new things and often stayed inside her cozy nest. One day, as Sally watched other birds so high in the sky, she felt a longing to fly like them, but fear held her back. What if I fall? She worried. One wise old owl noticed Sally's dilemma and offered some advice. Believe in yourself, little one. You have wings to fly. Don't let fear stop you. With newfound courage, Sally decided to give it a try. She flapped her wings and took a leap. At first it was hard, but she didn't give up. With each attempt, Sally grew stronger and braver. Soon she was flying gracefully alongside the other birds. The moral of the story is that believe in yourself and conquer your fears, and you can achieve great things. Sally, the brave little sparrow, taught everyone the importance of believing in themselves and facing their fears with determination.